Open. Open the door. Okay, go in.
Hello. I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
What kind of tree is that?
This Barayong.
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 It's like mahogany?
Huh?
That is
Mahogany.
like mahogany.
Yes.
Oh.
There is a Barayong tree. Yes. And so many seeds down there. Okay? I will pick up. That's the Barayong seeds. So many seeds I pick, and my friends will plant the seeds. Okay?
Bamboo.
Yes, that's bamboo. Or called this, and the Philippines is maruge. Mayroon unok. It's called him maruge. Okay.
Very high.
Maybe if have no storm, 15 meters high. Mango tree. Maybe it's yield fruit the month of May or April. May, April.
What about this mango tree? Was that affected by a typhoon?
Yes. It cooled down and for the typhoon.
I see.
Yes. This santal tree. Santo.
What do you use it for?
That's for very sweet and make it salad.
What is that?
Guyabano.
Guyabano.
Guyabano. Good for make juice.
For juice?
Delicious. Juice of guyabano.
Yeah, I think that's a very nice taste.
Yeah.
That's coffee.
Coffee.
Do you harvest the coffee also?
Yes. This coffee or
Grinded coffee.
branded coffee.
So you will roast that and...
Cacao yourself?
So this is the leaves of the cacao tree, but actually not fruit bearing.
Not this year maybe? Maybe also this.
No. That's one.
That is the avocado tree.
Yeah.
I thought you only growing.
Oh, that is the cassava.
Bigger cassava.
Lift it higher, higher, higher.
Higher.
Wow, very big roots.
Very big.
And very nice taste. It tastes like potato.
Yes. You must put it sugar.
Second.
Yeah.
Wait. Very nice.
Ugog. Ne, sabihin mo si Kambal magkualing dit na.
Where all the trees in your forest come from themselves?
Yes, I plant them.
Some of them.
Some of them come them themselves.
And some of them were planted.
Yes, I planted.
Which did you plant?
Like barayong, coconut tree, and bamboo tree, and malunggay. I planted.
Yes.
And cassava tree.
And which trees came natural?
Natural. This tree is natural. Why this? Tipulo tree. That is the sister of jackfruit.
Yeah, so that is so-called secondary rainforest. Secondary rainforest is when it was first everything cut and then replanted.
Yeah.
And then to produce like a jungle, which is a mixture from artificial planting, man-made planting, and wild. A combination. That is called a secondary forest.
Security guard. You must let him eat on. That's my farm, rice land, rice bed. The variety RC18.
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 It's a harvest in 1 hectare.
120 bucks.
120 bags.
Yes.
So 6 tons.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have no damage for typhoid.
The straw from the rice.
Yeah.
From Palay. Already harvested.
Ha? Ano? Iyo? Ang baba.
So that is malunggay.
Yeah.
Moringa cuttings.
Moringa.
Just put that in the soil and that will grow and become a tree.
Yeah.
So maybe after 1 month it will have already leaves.
Yes. And that is everlasting tree. Everlasting. Scientist of Germany.
From Austria.
Austria.
Yes, not Australia, Austria.